Kevin and I'm a freelance video editor. In this channel, I share my experience as a freelancer and how I earn money online. If this is what you're looking for, consider subscribing. Now, after knowing the skill that you can offer and where to find work, the next thing is to get training for that service or skill. The website that I will share with you today are in the description below. So, number 1, YouTube. I recommend YouTube since this is the only place you can learn for free. The only problem is, it is difficult to find a step-by-step tutorial about the skill, but it all depends on the skill you want to learn. To search for the skill you want to learn, just go to YouTube and type the skill that you want to learn. As you can see, we find a lot of tutorials on how to write an article. So you can go through the videos and you can start learning. Number 2, to learn a skill in a systematic way, the best way is to buy an online course. I myself have invested in many courses which have greatly helped me improve my service delivery. Speaking of that, let's go to Skillshare.com. Skillshare is an education platform with thousands of online courses taught by professionals, and you can learn any skill at your own pace. To get a 2 months free access to all courses, click the link in the description and learn any skill. You will need to attach your bank card, but you won't be charged any money. You can cancel after 2 months free access is over. To find the skill that you want to learn, click on Browse, select any skill that you want. For me, it's writing. Then you can go to the search bar to be specific in what you want to learn. Let's say article writing. As you can see, there are many courses on how to write quality articles. We even have beginners classes. So that's how you find skills that you can learn on Skillshare. That's it, guys. Question of the day: what skill do you want to learn? Kindly let me know in the comments. If you want to learn more about making money online, subscribe to my channel and see you next time.